Good morning students. Today we study again chapter 4 fractions part 3rd. We will study addition and subtraction of fraction. How to add the fraction, how to subtract the fraction. First addition and subtraction of fraction. First addition. First here 3 by 8 plus 2 by 8. Here the denominators are same. Here the denominators are same. We add direct. Okay. First solution 3 plus 2 upon 8. Again we don't write 8 and 8. Okay. 3 plus 2 5. 5 upon 8. We don't add the denominator. Understand again. 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4 plus 3 by 4. When here the denominators are same, we add in direct. Solution 1 plus 2 plus 3 upon 4. Okay. Then we add this number. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 3 6. 6 by 4. Which fraction is this? Which fraction this? Numerator greater, denominator small. Which fraction is this? Improper fraction. Then this fraction you convert into mixed fraction. You convert into mixed fraction. Here we divide by this. Then how many times gone? 1, 4, then minus u. Then quotient come in whole number. Your remainder come in numerator. Your divisor come in denominator. Understand you? Yes, one more example. 3 by 7 plus 1 by 7 plus 2 by 7. Here the denominators are same. Then solution 3 plus 1 plus 2 upon 7 is equal to 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6. 6 by 7. This understand you? Denominators are same. You understand? Yes. Then when the denominators are different, how to add? When the denominators are different, how to add this number? 2 upon 6 plus 3 upon 8. Here look here, denominators are different. Here the denominators are different. First you find the LCM of denominator. First you find the LCM of denominator. First we find the LCM of solution. First LCM of 6 and 8. First we find the LCM of denominator. We find the side of the notebook. Okay. 6 and 8. Which table go? 2. First prime number 2. 3, 4. Again 2, 3, 2. Again, or 2 is coming. The table of 2 come in 3? No. As it is you write here again 3 as it is write here 1. Then next 3, 1, 1. What is our LCM? 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. LCM is equal to 24. Okay. LCM is equal to 24. Now, the next step, first step, find the LCM of denominator. Then second step, you write this fraction 2 by 6. Multiply. Next step, listen here. LCM divide by each denominator. Again, LCM divide by each denominator. Understand you? That is 24 divided by 6. The table of 6, how many times gone in 24? How many times? 4 times. You multiply by numerator and denominator. Again 3 by 8. Next fraction our 3 by 8 multiply. Again 20 LCM divide by denominator, that is 24 divide by 8. 24 divide by 8. How many times gone? 3 times. Then multiply. 2 4 ja 8, 6 4 ja 24. Here 3 3 ja 9, 8 3 ja 24. Your denominator is same to LCM. LCM is your denominator. Look here. Here the denominators are equal. Then you add this number 8 plus 9 upon 24. Understand you? 8 plus 9 upon 24. What is our answer? 17 upon 24. Understand you? One more question. 3 1 by 7 plus 2 1 by 3. Which fraction is this? Mixed fraction. First you convert mixed into improper. First you convert mixed into improper. First, whole number multiply denominator plus numerator. This 3 7 ja 21, 21 plus 1 22 upon 7 plus 2 3 ja 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 upon 3. Now you check your denominators are same? No. First you find the LCM. What is the next step? Find the LCM. LCM of denominator 7 and 3. The table of 2 goes in divisible by 7? No. Divisible by 2? No. Next prime number 3. 3 is divisible by 7? No. What do you do? As it is write. Then next 1 times. Next 7 1 1. The LCM of 7 and 3 is equal to कितने? 3 7 ja, 3 7 ja, 21. LCM is equal to 21. Next step, first we write this fraction 22 upon 7 multiply. Next, LCM divide by denominator. LCM divide by denominator, that is 21 divided by 7. How many times gone? 3 times. Here also 7 upon 3 multiply. Again LCM divided by 3. 21 divided by 3, how many times? 7 times. We multiply numerator and denominator. Then 66, 21, here also 49, 21. LCM is the denominator of both number. Now we add this number. 66 plus 49 upon 21. Okay. Then 105 upon 21. Then which fraction is this? Which fraction? Improper fraction. First you convert improper into mixed. This understand you? Then next, subtraction of fraction. Subtraction, second subtraction. Same process. Then last we don't add, we subtract the number. Same process. First, 7 upon 25 minus 4 upon 25. Here the denominators are same. Here the denominators are same. We subtract in direct. That is 7 minus 4 upon 25. We don't subtract denominator. Only you subtract the numerator. Then what is your answer? 4 take away from 7. What is answer? 3 by 25. Understand this, sir? Again 15 upon 20 minus 8 upon 20. How to write? Solution. 15 minus 8 upon 20 is equal to 7 upon 20. Understand? Then when the denominators are different, how to subtract the number? When the denominators are different, how to separate this number? Yes, 9 upon 15 minus 6 upon 30. Here 9 upon 15 minus 6 upon 30. Here the denominators are different. First you find the LCM of denominator. First you find the LCM of denominator. LCM of 15 and 30. Here the denominators are 15 and 30. First we find the LCM 15 and 30. First you look here, 15 is divisible by 2. No. 15 is 30 is divisible by 2. Yes. As it is you write here, then 15. Again, which table go? 3. Next prime number is 3. How many times gone here? 5. Here also 5. Next 5, 1, 1. LCM is equal to 2 3 ja 6, 6 5 ja 30. Our LCM is 30. Next step, in addition step also follow here. 9 by 15 multiply. Next, LCM divide by denominator. LCM divide by denominator, that is 30 divide by 15. How many times gone? 2 times. Next fraction 6 upon 30. Again LCM divide by denominator, that is 30 divide by 30 is equal, how many? 1 come. Okay, now multiply. 9 2 ja 18, 15 2 ja 30. Here 6 1 ja 6, 31 ja 30. Now our denominators are same, then minus. 18 minus 6 upon 30. 18 minus 6 upon 30 is equal to 12. 12 upon 30. Understand you? Then I give some questions you. Do question 5 A to H of page number 66. Okay, thank you.